Hello folks, my name is John with Royal Outdoor Solutions. Today is Monday and after a rainy weekend, we're starting the week with a little more rain, but luckily, it's light enough for our team to keep moving forward without any problems. We've kicked off the installation phase. The pavers are already in place, as you can see in the video, and we've also started laying the artificial turf. The roll is really heavy, so it took several people to carry and position it, especially with such a large backyard and side yard. Even so, everything is progressing smoothly and the project is shaping up exactly as planned. Thanks so much for watching and following along. Stay tuned for the next videos and for the final results of this project here in Concord, California. Goodbye for now, and see you next time.